Ryan, are you coming with me? I don't
know what you're picking up, dude.
I got something big, but are you coming with? You stay here and I come bring it back, surprise you with it, or what? It's something no one's really ever done on YouTube before.
Oh yeah?
I'm kind of nervous about it.
Can I take any guesses?
One guess, but I won't tell you if you're right or wrong.
Rocket powered pit bike.
That's it. I gotta leave. Shit. All right, I'll see you later. Give me an hour. I'll be back. All right, grab my drink. Let's freaking go. What's going on today, guys? We are on the move. We are on the move to go get something that no one's really done yet, and I'm kind of excited. I saw it on Facebook, and I was like, look, I'll give you any sort of money, however much it costs. Give me what you got. And I forgot my keys, but got them. But I saw a listing for a guy parting out a pit bike, and he had a part that I wanted. Now, it's not common, and people don't do it often. I've seen people do it before, and I'm not gonna claim that I'm the first person to do it on YouTube. I'm probably not, but I've never seen someone do it in our friend group, and I've never seen someone do it and like make an actual YouTube video about it. So I've got a little bit of a drive, but we are gonna go pick up the coolest pit bike mod that I've seen yet. So we're gonna drive, and I'm gonna spend a little bit of money, and we're gonna get this, but it's gonna be worth it in the end because it's gonna be really cool. So we're gonna head up there, get that, and then we're gonna go ride with Jake. We're gonna show Ryan, we're gonna show Vince, and we're gonna show everybody. See how it turns out because I'm excited. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm pumped about this. This is one of my favorite videos that I've been excited about in a long time, and this has just happened like a day ago until this guy said he would sell me these parts. So we're gonna head up there. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're about to pull up right now. We're about a minute out. But this is going to be one of the coolest things I've done to my pit bike yet. And so I'm kind of excited. So let's go get them. Let's go get them. This is so dope. You guys probably already know what it is, but like, let's go get these tires. Oh, man. I appreciate it, man. Have a good one, dude. These are sick. Dude, look, I got sumo wheels for the pit bike. Alright, we're going to run home. I'm going to see you guys at the house. And then we are going to go put these on real quick and then go over to Jake's house and surprise him with it because Jake wants these so bad. I'm gonna let him borrow them. I'm not gonna be using them all the time. I gotta leave for Jersey tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is put them on, ride them for the night, let Jake use them whatever he wants. So let's go home, let's get these mounted up, and let's go to Jake's house. Good plan, let's do it. All right, let's go find Ryan. Ryan, what? Got good news, got bad news. What? Bad news, side by side's not there yet. Good news is I got something cool. Come on, come look, come on.
Side by side?
Not cool, not cool as a side by side. You're gonna like it though. It's pretty sick.
Am I gonna like it?
I mean, I don't know if you'll like it. You'll like it for me. It's not for you, but. All right, come here. All right, I want you to open this back door. All right.
Why are you being so sneaky? I don't like when you're sneaky.
It's pretty freaking cool.
You're being so
I mean, not this one, but you can open this one. It doesn't matter. You can open.
I can't even see.
There's nothing in the back. It's in the back seat. Goofball. All right, open it up.
No. No.
Sumo wheels for the pit bike, baby.
It's like a frisbee.
Oh my god. Dude, they're pretty sick, right?
Dude, now you gotta come do autocross. Imagine.
Dude, do they allow bikes?
I don't know.
Dude, are they sick?
K&J Racing Solutions.
Yep, that's Gator wheels.
What are we waiting for? Let's go put them on.
Let's do it. All right, let's do it. They're not going on this. They're going on this. So I'm gonna get this out into the yard and we're gonna put them on.
I don't know how you find these things on Facebook Marketplace.
I'm a Facebook Marketplace warrior, dude.
I guess so.
Dude, they look so sick.
So smooth and
so smooth, baby smooth. So now that I got this other sprocket on this other tire, I could leave it on the stock one, but I need more bolts to put this sprocket on. Once I get another set of bolts, I can leave sprockets on both set of wheels. Oh my god, that looks so awesome. It is a tight fit, but we are on a time crunch, so I'm gonna get this front one popped on and show you guys the final result. This thing struggled, bro, but look at it.
Oh, them things are fat, son.
Dude, it looks so sick, right?
It does look sick. Dang, dude.
I know, you ready? You gonna give her the first go?
You haven't ridden it yet?
I haven't taken it off the stand yet. I just got done with her.
In the sandals?
In the
sandals?
Dude, it's close, but it don't hit it. It looks hilarious.
It feels the exact same.
Does it really?
Yeah.
This is so weird.
It looks so funny.
It's heavier.
Really?
Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna take this over to Jake's because Jake really loves supermoto wheels on these things, and I'm gonna surprise him with it. It'll be pretty sick. All right, so I gotta go load this thing up. Let's go to Jake's house. Bang! All right, we're finally here. Hopefully Jake doesn't peek out the window right now and look, but we're here. Jake's literally gonna be the #1 person that likes this right here. Hi, Jake.
What up, what up?
Hi, say what's up to the vlog.
Hi, YouTube.
So,
What's up, bud?
I did something today.
Oh, boy.
You
You never know when Miller says he did something. It can be good or bad.
So, you're gonna really like this.
What,
this is
it out
probably,
here?
huh?
Is it out here?
Okay, what do you think it is? What do you think? I did something to the pit bike. You're gonna geek out. You're really gonna like it.
Oh, yeah? What
All right,
did you do?
what you think? What you think?
Oh, boy.
Dude, right?
Hell yeah.
Dude, that's sick. We gotta go rip it. We gotta go rip it, right?
What kind of tires are those?
Midas?
Oh, okay.
Dude.
Tight clearance.
Tight clear. Hey, and the sprocket, the stock sprocket, or the 42 doesn't work.
No way.
Because the chain doesn't go back far enough. Dude, my stock one's right here.
Hey.
Yeah. Quick, I just need these bolts.
12-12?
Yeah, 12-12. I just need the bolts so I can have the sprockets because I have to use those sprockets back on these tires.
Sick.
Dude, we gotta go.
That's
It
dope,
rides.
dude.
They're heavy.
I bet.
So we'll have to go ride, dude.
I wonder, so I know you can put the Shinkos on there too.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're a little slimmer.
Yeah, maybe so. But this is a fatty.
Dude, that's fat.
Dude, I'm ready to.
That's
I've ridden it maybe 5 feet. We gotta go rip. Isn't this sick,
ride.
dude? This is so sick, right?
That's freaking dope. to keep it cool and G-rated, that's dope.
Yeah, that's dope. All right, let's get this thing unloaded, pop on a helmet, let's go rip the streets.
I said either way, the sun gon' rise. Can't see it on my face, but I'm more inside. 'Cause it's halfway through November. I know the whole world trying to keep me under, but I said either way, the sun gon' rise. Hold on a second. I just wanted to take a second to say I felt so lucky to wake up
right, you ready to ride, bud? Dude, the first official ride on the Supermoto pit bike. The fresh, dude, I'm about to get those off. I'm about to lean some corners, about to scrape knee over here, dude. So we lowered the tire pressure a little bit because we got to do wheelies on this thing. Oh, it's weird. It's so weird. Ah! It's so weird. It finally rides like a big bike. Oh my gosh, it rides so smooth. Like, it is so weird to be able to lean and turn and do everything like a supermoto. I mean, honestly, it really feels like I used to have a WR250 and a WR450, and it really just feels like it should, like on the street. Like, it's so cool. All right, I'm gonna let Jake hop on this thing. Dude, give her a go. It feels like a supermoto. It is so cool. It looks awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cool. Yeah, baby. Oh, it looks so dope. I think half of it is how cool it looks. Oh yeah, Jake. Yeah, baby. Oh my god, no way. Dude, it rides so good. And so as the guy was telling me whenever he was selling them, right? Yeah, it's cool. So it's the same hubs as what's on your regular tires. It's way cool, right?
You can tell they're heavy though.
Oh yeah, right? But yeah, so it's the same hubs as stock hubs on both two 12-inch wheels, not instead of the, so normally you have a 14 on the front with your dirt setup, and then some nice tires. I mean, I'm guessing the front's smaller than the back, so I mean, dude, it's cool, man. I had to adjust it to get it out of the other one, so I hadn't adjusted back.
You know what has to happen now, right?
What?
I gotta get some.
You gotta get some.
I'll get 10,000 likes on this video so Jake can get some.
There you go, exactly. Putting Supermoto wheels and tires on my pit bike. Crazy. Look how beautiful it is out here. Oh my gosh. It feels like a Grom, like wheeling it now. I mean, you can kind of get down. I really want to take it to a track day. That'd be really cool.
So I want to get these things street legal. So
Dude.
Come out here and just go forever.
Dude, we gotta get them street legal. That'd be so cool. Basically a Grom, I was telling him it feels like a wheelie in a Grom, but you just have better suspension and less miles per hour. You wanna go this way real quick, get a quick clip, then head on back? Dude, this thing is so much fun. We got time. A little parking lot circle wheelie. It's a little harder to do circle wheelies. Alright, we got it. Woo! Oh my god. It's so weird. This is so much fun. Look at this beautiful freaking sky right now. Get some clips of Jake here too. Yeah, Jake. Yeah. Oh, the one-hander. Yes, sir. The combo. The combo. Let's go, baby. Oh my god. Oh, bringing it back. Bringing it back. I think I'm gonna have to get a different chain to run the other sprocket. I think I need another 42 sprocket for those setups as well. Or just put my bike back to stock and keep the 42 sprocket on that one. But man, that's so much fun. So what I need to do is order more of these bolts right here. I need to get a new chain. My chain's still stock. I need to switch that out. Mine as well. But I am going to Jersey tomorrow, and so I'm just gonna let Jake rob those for me for a couple days until I get back from Jersey. I'm not going to use them. I think he'd enjoy riding on them for at least a week. So take up the pit bike to Jersey because I got to have something to ride up there because the side-by-side still isn't in yet, of course. So, oh my gosh. Guys, what do you think of the Supermoto wheels, the freaking street setup on the pit bike? Yeah, baby. That is so funny. What a freaking day, dude. If you guys are interested in these wheels and tires, I think Gator wheel, they're called Gator wheels, is the kit that I bought off somebody else. They're super sick. They're definitely worth it if you guys are really interested in it. I'm gonna have to take these to like a track event or something, get like a leather suit and stuff. I mean, I used to do a whole bunch of motorcycle stuff, as you guys know. If we could make this thing street legal and take it to the Dragon, that would be so much fun. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my boy. Look how beautiful that is. I couldn't have asked for a better day. So if you guys would, leave a like and a comment. What else should we do with these street tires? Oh my gosh, that seemed intense. What else should we do with these street tires? Should we make this thing street legal? Should we take it to a track day? Should we let Jake use them all the time? What do you guys want to see? You guys have been killing my videos lately, and I couldn't have been any more appreciative. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Alright, love you guys.